Good morning, friends. It's a beautiful day today, and today we are going to see this Hotel Wientjes, Bilderberg, where I'm staying. Let's see how it is for you. So, this is the entrance. And this is the bar area that we have. You can see it's a quite fancy one. Then on the other side, we have a cafeteria, or you can say a restaurant. It's a nice one. The breakfast area is this one. I'll show you the breakfast later. But yes, right now cleaning is going on. It's a nice hotel, number one in Zwolle, I would say. Then we have a lift on the left side. There is also a conference room and a small breakfast area at the bottom. We'll go on the lift. So I got a room in first floor. Smoking in hotel and public area is strictly prohibited, and you should not be smoking at the room, otherwise they will charge you €150. That's our first floor. You can see the lobby area. And I got a room here. So smart card entry, and then you don't need to insert here anything, and then you get inside the room. So now coming back to the room, as soon as we enter, we have this cupboard with closet, and it's quite dark. There's not much light, but we have a safe here. I don't know whether it is visible or not, maybe not, but there is a safe here also provided. And then some cupboards, big size mirror on the cupboard itself, and then another closet, as you can see. And this is the single room, so single occupancy room, a place to put your luggage, another mirror, then a table with a chair, so you can work here, and then a TV. I never switched it on. And then a lamp on the corner with a chair. There's so much of untidiness at the room, but please pardon. Then we have been provided with this coffee machine, Lavasa, and it's actually quite nice. So there is a process how to execute it, and it actually works very well, right? Then on the right side there is this bed. The bed is for a single person. As I said, it's a room for single occupancy. So if I stand at the corner, this is how it looks, right? And then we have this window. So there's no balcony, but this window is quite big. You can see from the top to bottom. And then the heating is provided by this. You can see. So basically how it works, like the hot water flows through it, and you can regulate the temperature depending upon your need. Today is a good day because it's sunny. It has been gray most of the time. Then from the door we entered, on the left side we have this washroom, and the washroom is spacious. There is a shower area, right? Then you have the toilet seat, wash basin, hair dryer, a mirror for your makeup or shaving, and they have also provided this switchboard to connect your beard trimmer or whatnot. They of course provide the basic toiletries with a dustbin, and then hand wash. In the washroom also they have a conditioner and hand wash provided. It's a very nice, well maintained with no leakage. Everything works in the perfect condition. So it's nice. There is no moisturizer provided, so remember to bring it your own, because it gets cold and then it becomes quite dry, right? And then you have also here hooks provided to put your long jackets if you want. They also provided an umbrella here at the room, and then you have some extra lights, as you can see. So the light during the night might feel like that it is quite dim, but then you can use these kind of lights if you are reading or doing some work on the laptop if you want. Other than that, this is a room with single occupancy. Then they also have room with the double room, or not double room, I should say double bed, twin bed. Then they have suite room. Then they have a family room. Not sure how the pricing works, but it costed us almost at the same price my colleagues are staying in the executive room. But anyway, we got this booked from our company. Just wanted to show you the room. And this hotel is actually right beside the Zwolle railway station. Very, very convenient. You can literally walk from the railway station to here. And what I understood from some of our colleagues, that this is one of the best hotel in Zwolle. Breakfast is quite nice. It's almost same, the menu on the breakfast most of the time, but you have different options there, so it's kind of okay. The restaurant also is open and they provide very, very nice meal. So I had once, which was really, really good. The bar area is also good. You can spend your time. There's a conference room available at the hotel. Other than that, if you're looking for a gym and all, like in India we have swimming pool for 5-star hotel, right? So this being even a 4-star hotel, you don't have a swimming pool and those kind of facilities, right? But then this is how the hotels are in Europe. Most of the hotels do not have swimming pools. It's cold, right? So they have to get a good space and make it warm. Otherwise, swimming pool is of no use. But yes, this is what I wanted to show you. I hope you liked the video. If yes, then please like, subscribe, and have a nice day ahead. Bilderberg Grand from Zwolle, signing off.